Hey, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today, we've got an update for you. Squarespace has made an update to something that I've made a video in the past, which we'll link in the description. Probably throw a card up in the top corner of the screen. And that's on anchor links. So they've made an update to how you can put anchor links on your website, and it's made it so much easier. You used to have to do it with code blocks, and now it's built natively into the section menu settings. There are still some uses for the old way of doing this with code blocks, and so we'll keep that video up on how to do that. And like I said, we'll link to it in the description. But for now, let's talk about this new way. Let's jump over my screen and we'll get started. Okay, we're going to use my demo website here to show you how to do this. So we're going to go into edit mode. And let's say that here in the hero section, this button, this get in touch button here, you wanted to have send someone down to this contact section. All you'd have to do here is in the contact section, hit edit section, and then under the design menu there, the bottom under anchor link, you have the hashtag or the number sign there already. So you're just going to name what this anchor link is. So for this one, we would name it contact. And then we can exit off that menu and then by clicking off of it and then click save. And then let's go back up to the top because we need to add that anchor link to this button. So we'll hit the pencil, we'll attach a link, and then we're just going to type that link in. So the hashtag or the number sign, and then contact. If I can type it, contact. And then we're going to save. We're going to exit. Go back into full screen preview here. And as you see here, like in this edit mode that I'm in and what I've been in in the URL up here, it has the hashtag contact there. So if I was to click this button right here, it wouldn't send me down there because it thinks I'm already there. So I mean, you can either refresh the screen or you can just click on the home page again and it gets rid of that. And then so now if I touch that get in touch button, it's going to send me down to the contact section. So if I wanted to do this to where it would send me there on another page, like from another page. So like let's say I was over here on this donate page, and I don't think, yeah, there's nothing on this page right here. But let's add a section right here, and then add a blank section, and then we'll just add a block. Let's just do a button block here. Okay, so here we'll say that we're going to call this, we'll name this button or label it contact us. And then we're going to attach the link right here. Now, we can't just, because we're on another page, we can't just put the hashtag contact there. We have to connect it back to the home page first. And then / and then the hashtag contact. All right, I'm going to make sure that it's not opening up in a new tab because that would make it be a little bit funky. And then we can, let's send this up just, even though it's just a blank section, to make it look better. So we'll go save, exit, okay. And then let's go to full screen preview. And you can see here we're on the donate contact. So let's refresh that again because it does not, in edit mode there, it doesn't want to agree with us or cooperate. Anyway, so then we'll hit contact us, and you see it just shows up over on the contact section of the home. But if you do it like that and you get here, it's gonna be like, where am I? How did I get here? And so one thing you can do here is to go into your custom CSS, and you're gonna get there by going to pages, scrolling down to website tools, and then custom CSS. And you'll want to add some CSS here to make the scroll smooth. So here in your CSS, you're going to want to just drop in this code, and I'll include this in the description. And then now what that will do is make it to where when So let's go back to this donate page, and let's go into full screen preview. Check that URL. Okay, so that's good. You'll contact us, and it goes back to the home page and then scrolls down to that section. That's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.